Hello everyone, I'm Mr. B and today I want to talk to you about the stock called AVVH and concentrate especially on September 10th and check out what caused this big volume and a 6 consecutive days rally. As you may know, AVVH is a custodian ticker by Crystal Management, and basically the reason that the stock rallied for 6 days is these two particular tweets. The first one is a tweet by Crystal Management on September 10th. Late yesterday, we filed a motion to amend language in the custodian discharge paperwork to satisfy the transfer agent. Hopefully, this is the last step to complete this share cancellation. Merger will happen immediately after Judge acts. Look for GQC update next week. Be well. And the second tweet was on September 14th. The court approved our motion to amend the custodian discharge order. Transfer agent has confirmed the new wording is sufficient. The share cancellation should finally be completed sometime this week. Be well. The big news I take from these tweets is the cancellation of shares. Canceling stocks is usually a good thing. Since redeeming shares reduces the float, it means that company earnings per share will rise, and everything else being equal. The trend in earnings per share is a vital factor in stock valuation, so buyback in theory should make the stock more valuable. This is the primary reason that companies redeem their shares, to benefit shareholders. So with this news from the custodian and the expectation of stock cancellation, potential merger, and more, this stock has risen almost 150% in a week. And on September 23rd, the company actually reduced its outstanding shares by 36%. And that's what caused this gap up at the beginning of the day. So if you bought some shares on September 10th and held them until September 23rd, you could make about 170% in less than 2 weeks. If you like the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, drop a comment below, and join our Discord community. Simple Trade. I was Mr. B. Until the next time, see ya.